Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On this channel, I'm gonna create tutorials of what actually I am learning. It's gonna be like my path of what I'm learning right now. So it's gonna be some random topics, but all of them will be related to technology. And of course, if you have something that you want me to teach or something, maybe I know how to do it already and I can teach it properly or go deeper on that, make a video about it. But basically, on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to edit SVG images. You can get an SVG image from anywhere from Google. If you want to know how to get them or what size do I use for that, of course you can comment that down below about it as well. But let's say you already have an image, maybe it is not exactly what you want, and maybe you don't have a design tool to modify the content. So for example, on this one, I want to use this image, but I don't want these letters down below that it says app development. I just want the image. And of course, I could use either paint or something just to remove them, but maybe I can lose the format, or if it doesn't have any background, it will affect that. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. And if you're a developer, of course, I'm pretty sure that you have Visual Studio Code installed. So it's pretty simple actually. Just go to your browser, open up the image. If you don't know exactly where to click, you can just go to inspect. So with this route right here, you can click on that and then you can choose the part of the image that you actually want to remove. So for example, in this case, it's going to be about the letters, right? So I could remove just the letter P if I want, for example. Let's do it like that, as simple like that. Or if you want to remove the screen, you can also delete that with your keyboard. But of course, it's not gonna be permanent. That's why we're gonna use Visual Studio Code, because this is just temporary. So let's go again and choose one of the letters. Then if you click right here, you can see that this is the box that has the content on it, the letters I mean. So if we remove that, it's gonna do exactly what we want. So if we check right here, it says style. Right there it says the letter G and then the letter G again. So we can go to Visual Studio Code. It says style here. It says the G and the G again. As we check on the browser, it's gonna be the second G right after style, right? So it's gonna be pretty much this one right here. So you can just choose that, and with your keyboard you can just delete that. You can save. In this case, I have live server, so it's going to be updated immediately, but pretty much you just need to refresh your browser and that's going to be it. Next time you open this image, it's going to show these, it's going to be saved right here. So now you don't have those letters right there. And as I told you before, you can also remove any element. That's pretty cool about the SVG images. And that's pretty much it. As I mentioned, this is a new channel. It's gonna be just my path while I'm learning some things, so might be quite interesting if you're learning as well. And I have some experience in some other topics. As I mentioned, if you have any suggestion or if you wanna learn something, you can comment down below and I will read about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope to see you next time.